Hello students. Now we come to the second part of our chapter, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. As you remember in the first part, we had a king and he had given a challenge, posed a challenge before Gopal that during this month of Hilsa fish, where everybody is talking about Hilsa, can Gopal for at least 5 minutes buy a Hilsa fish, a very huge Hilsa fish from the market, and bring it to the palace. And during this time, nobody should talk anything to Gopal, especially about the Hilsa fish. So challenge is accepted by Gopal, and we had seen what had he done. He had half shaved his face. That is the first thing he did. Later, he smeared his face with ash. And third thing, he wore rags, torn old rags. So he disguised himself or got into the getup of a madman. Now the lady or the wife of Gopal was very surprised to see what has gone wrong with her husband today, and she is gazing at him. Two times she had asked what has happened, and he just replied the same thing, that I am going to buy a Hilsa fish. Now she is also astonished that why the man is getting this appearance to buy a Hilsa fish. But he has done it and now he is going. Let us see whether he is able to buy the Hilsa fish and come back to the palace, return to the palace to the king without having any talk of Hilsa. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly. You can't possibly. Now the lady is stopping the man, that how can you, being such a respectable courtier, going out in these rags, in this appearance, people will consider you mad. She's stopping him. How many times must I tell you, woman, I'm out to buy a huge Hilsa fish? And he repeated the same statement again, that I'm going to buy a Hilsa fish. It's happened to him, he has gone mad. And the wife thinks that the husband has gone mad. But Gopal is very wise. Let us see. Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. You can see the picture. He is in the picture itself, you can get a glimpse that the fish is not catching our attention, but the appearance of Gopal, the rags, the old clothes worn by Gopal, the half-shaved face, the ash-sprinkled face is what is catching attention, and people are looking at him. People are not looking at the Hilsa fish. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? So everybody is looking at Gopal. Nobody is looking at the fish. He must be a madman. And people are not even able to recognize him that he is Gopal the courtier. But they are thinking that he is a madman. Hush, I think he is a mystic. He is a mysterious fellow and maybe he is a mystic. So he is going like that with a fish in his hand. So these are mysterious people. When Gopal reached the court, the guards obviously, guards are always allowing Gopal to enter into the courts and very respectfully. But this time they are not able to recognize Gopal, and that is why they have stopped him. And what is the question being asked? What do you want? I want to see the king. I want to meet the king. Now, seeing his appearance, no courtier would ever allow him to meet the king. That how can such a dirty man wearing such torn clothes in this condition meet the king? He is not allowed. You can't see the king. Get away with you. So they rejected the request and they said that you should get away and you are not allowed to meet the king. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. He further started behaving like an actual madman. Now his actions also became like a madman. He started to dance and he started to sing inside the palace. The man is crazy. Throw him out at once. These are the voices heard by the king from outside. One is saying that the man is crazy man. He's really crazy. He has lost his head. Throw him out at once. The other man is saying that just throw him out. He should not be allowed in the court. I want to see the king. Let me in. And the third man is obviously Gopal. He is requesting that I want to meet the king and let me be allowed to go in. Bring that man to me at once. The king ordered to bring the man. So finally, Gopal is allowed to enter. Yes, your majesty. It is only the majesty who has allowed the man to be brought inside. No one knows whether this is Gopal. Gopal was brought before the king. And now the courtier realized and they have understood, they have recognized him. It is Gopal. So he is there, our courtier. The man has lost his mind. And what they are discussing? They forgot about the challenge given to Gopal regarding Hilsa fish. They thought that Gopal, the courtier, has gone mad. He has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. And he thinks that it is one of his crazy jokes that he is playing. He is always about to play jokes, crack jokes, and that is what is happening to him right now also. So the courtiers are thinking that Gopal is playing any crazy joke. He has gone mad. Okay. Now the king. It's the time of the king. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? So the king also forgot about all the challenge that was given to him. He asked Gopal whether why he has dressed in this ridiculous means in this hilarious, funny manner, funny way of wearing a dress. Your Majesty, now Gopal spoke, you seem to have forgotten everything. King, you have yourself forgotten that you had challenged me something. King is trying to recollect. Forgotten something? What? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. Today I bought a huge Hilsa fish from the market. I came all the way through the market and the town to the palace, but no one is interested in the Hilsa fish. No one is interested in the Hilsa fish. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul, not a single person has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. So no person is interested in Hilsa fish. That means every person was interested in Gopal, and the weird way this man was reacted, they thought he is a madman. No one knew that he is Gopal, and that is why he has accepted the challenge and he has done it. That not a single soul means person, has spoken about Hilsa fish today. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Then realized the king that I had myself given a challenge to Gopal and he has done it so well. Obviously, who would talk about the fish? Everyone would talk about the madman. Ha ha. Well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again. Once again, you have shown that you are very wise and you can do everything using your brain, using your wisdom.